Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss in this particular video types of entrepreneur. What are the classification of the entrepreneurs, or we find various types of entrepreneur in the globally. Classification of types of entrepreneurs. There are three functionality of the entrepreneurs based upon functional characteristics. We are having many characteristics we have studied in last videos. There we are having some of characteristics. So mainly based on the characteristics type entrepreneur we find across the world. Innovations. The people entrepreneurs we have discussed already characteristics as innovations. Always they start new things, new good, new method, new product, new discovery, new market, or reorganize of their enterprise, old to new product, old service to new service, and innovations or invention. These are all characteristics based on their innovative ideas. So we can define as these entrepreneurs are innovative entrepreneurs. They must be, or it may be initiative or adaptive. People are very fast adapting nature. They are very initiative. They are very invention oriented people. People are either Fabian, some people should be Fabian or drone. Some entrepreneurs, they do the work like Fabian, they do work with very great cautions, and they are taking care in experimenting with any change in their enterprise. They don't want to take a huge risk in the company, a big risk. They change only when there is an eminent threat to their existence. These people are Fabian nature. Mostly some of students, they are not changing immediately, but when their areas become more than 4, their study style and other things they change to save their future, to save their year. They change accordingly. Drawn, die hard. They are very conservative and even are prepared to suffer a loss in business. What they have decided, very conservative. They don't want to change, and that is the reason sometimes they bear the losses also. They are ready for that. Second way of types of entrepreneurs are based upon development angle. Prime movers always search a motion in a powerful sequence of development, expansion, diversification of business. Manager just stays and work as per the management wishes. Prime movers type. Next is people are minor. They are very small things. They do any business in a small way, but that will be innovative. They don't want to take more risk, less investment, should not be a more investment, so that they can make it easy going entire life without any problem. So minor entrepreneurs we call them. The next types of entrepreneurs, satellite. I always talk about this type. These people, like person, firstly assume the supplier role. They getting the thing, goods or finished goods from direct from the factory, and they are supplying to the distributors or retailers, and spending so many years in and out. They are knowing about the product. They know what are the drawbacks, what are the weaknesses and strength of the product, and what are the market, what type of customers, what types of problems are facing, okay, selling out the product and recovery of the money, revenue, altogether, everything, they are knowing it, and then towards slowly when they feel everything very calculated, they go for to start their own enterprise that is known as satellite. So I always advise you people, first you should be a satellite. I don't know how many people must be knowing it. Even big Marwadis families, a very big rich people also, they send their son to work on other company, not his own company, for 2 to 3 years. And whatever they do there, they learn outside, because they know that once they work for outside, they will work on other company. Not in parent, they will come to know what is the value of the money, what is the value of time, and how exactly to be behave. All ethics, you must be knowing it altogether. So that is required very well things, okay, in the as an entrepreneurs. So they go slowly moving, they move very slowly toward the production. Okay, slowly decision they are taking it. Based upon business, next characteristics, manufacturing, they are still having and developing a new model, new product, new way of service. They get bored on old things. Always they want to do new manufacturing the product. So this type of people, they are known as entrepreneurs. Wholesalers, that also known as entrepreneurs, the people who are take the huge amount they put on the business, and they are taking the things in bulk and giving to the retailers and suppliers or middlemen. Retailers, the shopkeepers sector, consumers, altogether, they are having retails, they buy all those things, they are known as retails people. Service oriented, mobile technology, okay, that is service oriented, that is known as service oriented. Okay, so how they are giving the service, mobile service provider, they are giving service to the mobile users, and that is okay, that is known as service entrepreneurs. Next is based upon personality of the entrepreneurs. Yes, if you talk about personality self-defined as an entrepreneur, okay, improver, way of or mode. Some people, they are thinking differently. As you think your company and you are functioning to improve the world, always they think that you are the only person who is developing the country and functioning to improve entire world. They always think like this. That is known as improver. They have motto means morally correct the business and will be rewarded for working on a noble cause. Always they are working for the noble. Whatever happens, they never work for the sake. They work for the noble work. They work for the improve the society. They work for the mankind through their business. Always they think, okay. They run their business with high integrity and advice. Then they don't play small things, dirty games. They never sit on a small thing. They advise to the customer. They follow the customer advice. Altogether, they help the customer. Whatever, okay, they give some schemes which help bonus to the sometimes customer also. Next entrepreneurs type is superstar. You know everybody, maybe heroine and heroes. I will tell you, this is making a movie itself is not less than running a business. Your own town, everybody, musicians, play, dress, everybody, the playing the important roles, singer, actors, all together. And everyone has to be, okay, as an entrepreneur, as a heroine or hero, you can say that. These entrepreneurs see the future to achieve objective as a dream to help the growth of a mankind society globally any theme of the society they are putting into the film, and they are playing role. I tell you, some people they play role as a Bharat. He always playing. He feel that he play as a role of Ram. He feel that he is a Ram. He should not. He has to keep some maryada. Okay, and it goes to their inner part, inner spirit, artist. Next is we are having analyst. Analyst, I always say, you cannot do analysis without having the data. You cannot do the analyze the things in the air. Something you should have to analyze it. You know, and you have knowledge of the area, business domain. You should have knowledge. Then only you can analyze. In and out of the enterprise, you will be having the data of problems, weakness, strength of the business. Based on data we are having year to year together. He also knows the neck of the customer and give every solution for the technical, non-technically also. Intel founder Gordon Murray is the example of analyst, how exactly they should do it. Firewall, you must be knowing firewall. Firewall on computer, anything wants to strike your computer, they are standing as a wall, that is known as firewall. Here, people, these people type of entrepreneurs, business people, they owned by the entrepreneurs, enterprise as a firewall, remain full of life, energetic and optimism, and provide the troubleshooters, problem solving, provide the security, umbrella to the company as a whole. They always, Pranab Mukherjee is known as, like a firewall of the Congress once upon a time. Hero has the incredible will and ability to lead the world in spite of facing many challenges and problems in the path of success. Healer, the types of entrepreneurs. As a healer, provide nurturing and harmony to your business. They have hidden ability to survive and work for the better way of fulfilling and providing the solution of the people and motivate them. That's all. So these are many types of the entrepreneurs, various types. We have studied. Even you want to become whatever ability, whatever inner spirit qualities you have, you start your business using that quality into business, and you can become a successful entrepreneur. Thank you very much.